Well, in this course, we're going to learn how to create and execute our first Python script on Termux. To do that, first, let's open our Termux. Okay. The script we're going to use Vim to create our first script. And like if you've not seen the Vim video how to use Vim before, please go and watch it up there. Vim, we're going to use the word script.py. The reason we're using .py at the end of the name of the file script is because Python scripts end with .py. You should know that. So hit enter. Remember, to start typing in Vim, you must hit on I first to insert. If you look at the bottom of the screen before the beginning of the keyboard, yeah, you see the white line. On the white line, you see script.py. Beneath it, you see script.py new. So when you hit on I, it will change to insert there. You can see it has changed to insert. Now you can start typing whatever you want to type. So our first code will be print bracket open single double quote hello. You can put your name. Me, I'm putting my name, hello David. Close bracket. Now you see that part where you say insert. Look at that same place again. Now we are going to press escape colon WQ. W is to write out, which means save. Q is to quit. We are quitting Vim so that we can execute our script. Okay. Now escape colon WQ, then hit enter. We've exited Vim. Now to run our Python script, we simply type Python space script, name of the file .py. Then once you hit enter, display hello David or hello whatever you type in there. Now we're going to type a simple script that will help us, that will accept two numbers and sum it for us. This is just to demonstrate what Python can do. We've not gotten here. I just want to demonstrate what Python can do. Okay. Now follow my lead. Vim sum.py. Hit enter. Hit on I to switch to insert mode. Yes. Then let's type our first num1 space equal to space float bracket open impute. Okay, bracket open single quote. Now type in enter a number space double quote, close your first bracket, which is for the input, close the second bracket, which is for the float. Now if you are like me, you are very lazy, you can copy and paste. Okay, and the key person put. Well, we're not going to do that. Let's hit enter and type num2 space equal to, oh sorry about my spelling, num2 space equal to float. I'm going to teach you about this. It's called typecasting. Impute bracket open double quote, hit the same value again, enter a number space double quote, close your input, then close your float. All right, hit enter. Sum, we can use sum now. Sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, now we can print. I will use that word print just now, that keyword print. Let's open it. Double quote. Sum is space, quote, double quote. This is a comma. It's not a dot, it's a comma. Space, sum. Then close the bracket. Hit enter. Now this is the function of the code. Let me explain the code to you. The num1 is a variable. Yeah. The float convert whatever the user types into a float. Float is a number, any number that has point. Like if it's 1, it's 1.0. If it's 2, 2.0. If you know basic, 3, 3.0. Then we now have, let's for example, now you now divide 1 or 1 divided by 2, or let's say 3 divided by 2. It's able to have 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, but it's able to have just 1. You have 1.5. I'm just using as an example. This not, I'm using maths as an example to add two numbers together. It's not a math thing. You don't need to know maths to become a good programmer. Maths not involved. So float converts it to a number. Anything you enter here, we convert it to number, and to sum the number together, and it will display the sum of the number. So now let's hit on escape, colon, WQ. Let's hit on enter. Now to execute our script, let's type Python script, sum rather, sum.py. Let's enter a number. I want to enter 5. Enter another number. And we enter 7 and hit enter. The sum is 12. You get it? So you sum the two numbers. This is a simple code to add some numbers together. As time goes on, we're going to develop a more sophisticated and a more complex code or complex script to execute better output. We're going to have like a single project to display our knowledge. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next video.